this is the start of a vacation vlog. I'm at Magic Kingdom today. I've got Magic Kingdom today and Epcot tomorrow. So yeah, join me. This is a solo trip. Sarah and June are back in Indiana in 40-degree weather. So yeah, so I was down here doing some work in St. Pete and decided to take a couple days at Disney. Why not? So join me. So one thing that we're never really good at is remembering where we parked. And since I'm on my solo trip, I really want to remember where I parked. So just remember that. I guess it's this direction. Simba 110. There's a gorgeous sight from the Transportation Ticket Center. I'm gonna take the ferry, I think, over to the Magic Kingdom. So, enjoy.
Okay, your face coverings off the runway, and you know we clap your hands! Alright, now that we got that out of the way, who's excited to go to Magic Kingdom? Who's excited to go to Magic Kingdom? Alright, this is anybody's first visit. First visit. Yay, anybody's birthday. Birthdays. Oh my God, everybody give them a round of applause and wave your hands in the air. Woo! Yeah. We've been celebrating here at Walt Disney World. If you didn't know, it's Christmas or the holiday season here. I will not give you a spoiler, but there is something green and really tall inside Magic Kingdom. And it's really pretty and has really big presents underneath it, but like I won't tell you any more than that.
I'm in Magic Kingdom. Oh, I was just here like a month ago, but it still feels so good. And now there's a big giant Christmas tree. That was not here when I was here a month ago. Fun. Just went to the bathroom. When I came out, there was a parade happening. So, or a cavalcade, whatever. That was really cool. And now it's Christmas time. I don't think I've ever actually stopped and taken a look at this door. There was a time that I actually interviewed at Disney. Didn't make the cut, needed more experience. But that's okay. So I'm waiting in line for Space Mountain, and look, it's Santa Stitch! Santa Stitch! So this is crazy. With my old camera, I never would have been able to film in here. This camera does pretty well in low light. So I'm currently in line for Space Mountain. Wow, yeah, my camera never would have been able to do it in here. This is crazy. Space Mountain, I'm in line. Oh, I'm missing the markers. Whoops. Now I'm in between two lines where it says stop. Like these guys. That's upside down, but you get it. So, in line for Space Mountain. It's so pretty. There we go! Whoa! Dark! Oh dear. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh no. Here we go. Bye.
Docking crew, stand by to initiate unload procedures.
Woohoo! We made it! Alright, so I got off of Space Mountain and I was gonna try mobile ordering at Cosmic Ray. Mobile ordering wasn't working and whatnot, but oh, look at this. Very pretty dress. Wonder what she's here for. Very pretty. Cool. Maybe I don't know what the big event is. I can't remember. I think it starts with a C. But I think I'm gonna try getting some spring rolls. I see the spring roll cart, and we'll see if they have any cheeseburger ones. So, hey, congratulations. So, alright, so let's see if we get spring rolls. Alright, they had the cheeseburger spring rolls and they got a Sprite. These are so yummy. The pizza ones are okay, but the cheeseburger ones are much, much better. I think I'm gonna try to do Splash Mountain. So, join me on Splash Mountain. Oh, what is the line? Oh, the Jingle Cruise. Well, it's a Jungle Cruise right now is what their sign says. But pretty sure I switched over to the Jingle Cruise, but we'll find out later, I'm sure. So, yep. Watch out for the spitting camels. We're gonna go this way. Oh dear, they just turned their head and spitted. I just love some of the theming in the queue here, the different birdhouses. And then you got this big, all the theming. Splash Mountain. You may get wet! Oh no! This one. Get ready to get on! Probably my last time on this version.
Watch your games. Have a symphony deep down. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. I need to tell Gerard leaving his drama passion. I say he's heading for trouble.
Mostly dry. So here's kind of an odd sight. They have it all drained, but then they've taken out part of the track. That's really weird. As I started to say before my camera battery died, this is where the Mark Twain riverboat used to go around, and they've drained the water and it looks like they're working on the track. So, but that's Tom Sawyer's Island over there, so now you can't get over to Tom Sawyer's Island now because, yeah, there's no water.